welcome back to my channel. My name is Mrs. Ashley, and today we are going to be going back into a Shein haul, a Shein try-on haul. I hope you guys are ready. Just did another Shein haul, so if you did not see that video already, I'll link it up here wherever the iCard may be when I edit this video. I still don't know where those items are, but anyway, and if you don't see them there, I'll definitely link them down in the description box down below. So if you got a shorty like me, a plus size shorty, then do hit the subscribe button. Or if you want to support your chubbier shorty girls, then definitely hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button to be notified of all my future videos. I do, fashion videos, self-love tips and tricks, and just getting our mental health back on track. So if you guys want to hit that subscribe button, that would mean the world to me. I hope you guys are doing really, really well at this time. So if you did not see this situation, definitely look for those iCards. But we're going to be going back into Shein because I bought a lot of stuff, a lot of crap, a lot of stuff from there. And I just feel really, really inspired when I was sprucing around online. It was so hard not to get everything because it is on the cheaper and more affordable side as well. So stay tuned, get your popcorn and everything like that, and we'll go into the items that I got. So this first item is this one right here. And this is the black paper bag waisted shorts. So I gotta say, it does feel like, my husband said it feels like windbreaker material. However, it's really, really good. So I did get these shorts in a 2X, and it does come with belt loops here. So it's kind of similar fabric to if you have ever bought, I want to say if you've ever bought scrubs, it is that same material, which is not bad. They are pretty sturdy for, what you're getting and everything like that. So I'm really happy that it does come with belt loops. And the details on the bottom is super, super cute. So we're gonna have to look at this guy. This item is a crop top. I wanted to go like out of my comfort zone and just kind of embrace, the crop top life and just embracing my body in general. So I grabbed this crop top, and this crop top is in a 2X. So again, it has really thick straps, which is really, really nice. I don't have anything like this, and I'm just super excited to show off, show this side of me off. And I think it's long enough to fit in the paper bag waist. And it doesn't even have to show like a little of the midriff or anything like that. It might be just the perfect size. And I also grabbed this item right here, which is another shorts. And the shorts is a floral shorts in the size 2X. This is super cute. It definitely brought me back to like high school vibes and the 90s vibes. I used to have like the same print as a kid. I think I was in the 8th grade and I was super in love with this print. So I definitely had to bring this back, or we'll bring this up again into this times. And it's a little overalls, and I was thinking of pairing this with the white crop top, or I also have a black crop top which is super cute. I don't know which one I would do because either of these is good layering pieces. So I definitely picked up this crop top right here, and it says "My body, not yours," and definitely has that same ribbed material, which I really, really like. And it is a spaghetti strap instead of the thicker strap, which is really nice. So I'm gonna try whichever one looks good on. um I think I'm gonna try this with the floral pants. And I also grabbed, so I ended up grabbing this little situation. I don't know how well it's gonna be, but it is a type of bralette or kind of see-through situation. I thought it was sexy, and this is in the size 2X. So it looks like this. I just don't know if the boob situations, if you see that the triangles are too far apart, we shall see. But I definitely picked this one up because I wanted something more sexy to put on, but we'll see. We'll try it on and see what we think. Let's talk about this crop top situation. So this is a little big on me. I get it. Um, it is supposed to have this situation. So I don't have like your typical like boobage for this piece, but I figure that if I put like a black bra with this piece, that it will show really nicely. But yes, so this is the bralette, um well, bralette, I don't know what you call it, crop top. Definitely will leave that situation down in the description box. I did get a 2X on the top, and it's very, very comfy. It's very stretchy. So there's a lot of room here in this situation. It's a lot of room. The band, it's a lot of room here. So the only thing, my concern is like my nips are right here, you know. So it's very, very sexy. So if you're more confident, definitely for you. But I will definitely wear this with like a black bra. Um, that would just pair really, really nicely. That would be good to be seen on, you know, seen from there. So let me change the crop top to the top. And this crop top is actually a little bit longer than your average crop top, which I love. I love that for me. And the paper bag waist can be situated. So this is the "My Body, Not Yours" crop top paired with the pants, or I mean the shorts here. And this, I believe, the top is a 3X, I think, and the bottoms are a 2X. If I'm not mistaken, I'll definitely leave all my sizing down below. But I am in love and obsessed. I love this outfit for me. I could pair these shorts with just about anything in my closet. So I'm good off of that. I really, really love it. It's really stretchy. So I really like this detail where they give you a like a belt with this because it is so stretchy. So I really like that. I love the detail at the bottom of the shorts. So let me give you a situation. So yes, I definitely love this for me. And then talk about a really nice crop top. You could wear this with jeans. You could wear this with shorts. I love this affirmation. It's "My body, not yours." I could do whatever I want with my body. If I want to wear a crop top, if I want to wear a bikini, if I want to look sexy, I could do whatever I want. So definitely love, love, love this outfit. Okay, let's just talk about the crop top. Again, this white crop top, like the black one, it has the thicker straps here. I am wearing a strapless bra, but I could wear a regular bra with this because it is so thick, and I think that's really, really good. It's a square neckline and that ribbed material, which I really, really like. And also the crop doesn't, it ends right here. So on the black one I didn't show, but it does end right here on me. So it is a longer crop. It's not your average crop top unless you are a taller girl. It might fall a little bit more higher on you. But yes, that I really like these crop tops. And then we have the short situation. So here are the what are these called? Suspenders. So I don't know. These are the suspenders part, and I think they're really cute. However, if you are taller, it will definitely hit you a little differently because these straps are ginormous. They are really, really nice fitting. The shorts again are a 2X, and I really like them. They do have a, it does have a, what is it called? Elastic in the back here, so it fits really, really nicely. However, these straps are super long, so I don't know. I may have to, I think I'll just have to put like pins. So I'll just like pin them down inside here to hold it together better because I don't have long arms or anything like that. So if I take a safety pin and just pin them down, they should be fine, which is really good because if you are taller and you're worried about it not fitting because of the length, I think they gave a pretty good slack on this. So I had this outfit in mind. The model on the Shein website did have something similar paired with these shorts, and I love this idea. Hers had a like a t-shirt style, but I think it works either way. So let me get you the situation. Okay, sweeties, so I really, really enjoyed this haul. I was empowered. I was feeling myself for damn sure. And I really like to do these hauls and just show you guys what styles are, coming out right now. I do have more hauls to come for you guys, so definitely check out my hauls on every Wednesday, 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, but you can also replay them on my playlist. So I hope you guys are doing well, and definitely comment down below which one was your favorite or which one you would like to be picking up anytime soon. And I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, stay super sweet. Bye.